Most people think starting an online business is complicated, but in 2026, it's easier than ever.
The real problem isn't opportunity. Opportunity is everywhere today.
Today, information isn't the problem. Too many options create confusion.
People spend months learning, but never start.
Every successful business starts with one clear direction, not endless choices.
The fastest growth comes from focus. One path is enough to start.
Start with a skill, then turn that skill into a service. It's about finding value in your expertise. Then build your online presence. People trust what they see consistently.
You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience.
You need credibility. That's what creates opportunities. People trust what they see consistently. Trust isn't built in a single post. It's built through repeated value over time. Share your expertise. Solve real problems. Create useful content that solves real problems for real people. That's how you become valuable, memorable, and trusted online. Next, build a lead generation system. A steady flow of leads creates consistent opportunities. Without leads, growth becomes difficult. Make it easy for people to contact you. Don't create unnecessary friction.
Respond quickly. Speed builds trust.
Strong follow-up systems keep conversations moving. Most people quit too early. Most sales don't happen on the first message. They happen through consistent follow-up. Every growing business eventually needs systems. Without systems, growth creates chaos. Automation removes repetitive work and gives you more time to grow. The goal isn't to work more hours. The goal is to make better use of it.
Clear systems create clarity, and clarity improves decision-making.
Connected systems create leverage across the entire business. Everything works together. Businesses that scale successfully don't work harder. They scale smarter. AI will become normal. Systems create freedom.
Businesses that learn to use AI early will gain a significant advantage.
Remote work is creating opportunities everywhere. Location matters less than ever before. Systems create freedom, because when your business runs on systems, it no longer depends on you every minute. When systems work together, the business keeps moving without constant supervision. Start before you're ready. Learn while building. Small actions repeated consistently create momentum over time. The future belongs to builders. The people who take action today will create the opportunities of tomorrow.
Follow for business growth, AI systems, and real-world strategies. Let's build something valuable together.